So it's 3 different kinds of handles here. We got a slab handle, we got a modified coil, and then we have a coil handle. And you can see that this one was thick enough, it has no support. You can use a little piece of sponge to support or anything. This is a paper towel roll. I did put a little bit of plastic on there so that my handle won't dry out. So let me show you how I'm making these. Okay, just make it a little bit thicker here, thinner there. Smooth your edges. Next one I'll show you is a kind of a modified pulled handle. Make sure you're keeping your clay nice and wet when you do this. I like to have it a little thicker on the top.